Hi, Paul from PIVOTtray here. Just want to give you a quick overview of how simple PIVOTtray is to use. When you get out of the vehicle, you'll see here that we have a plunger bolt. Lift the plunger bolt up so it's horizontal. There's two of these, one on either side. Pull up the second plunger bolt. Insert your key. You have two remotes. One is for the pivot tray mechanism and one is for the top winch up the top. Once the two plunger bolts are out, the key's in, you're ready for action. When you bring PIVOTtray back in to its home position, you then need to put the plunger bolts back in on both sides. If you don't do that, you'll hear a buzzer inside the cab, alerting you to the fact that one of the plungers or both plungers are up. Lovely Queensland weather. So once both plungers are down, you're ready to hop back in the vehicle and drive off. Remember, remove your key.